Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use Zoho Voice step by step. So if you are looking for a cloud phone system that is going to let you make business calls, manage virtual phone numbers, send the SMS and handle the customer communication from one platform, then this tutorial is for you. So make sure that you watch this video until the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, if you would like to try Zoho Voice for yourself, you will find its affiliate link in the description box below. I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also get some sign up bonuses and rewards depending on the latest offer. So, without further delay, let's get straight into it. Now, first of all, you need to open your web browser, and here in the search bar, you need to simply search for zoho.com/voice. Now, when you are here on the official page of Zoho Voice, you are going to see a sign up button on the top right hand corner of the screen. So you need to simply click on that and you can continue with the help of your Google account or your Microsoft account or a LinkedIn account, or you can also just simply just provide your details in order to sign up. So after creating your account, you can just simply click on your profile icon on the top right hand corner. Then you can select the option of my account in order to get access to your dashboard. Now, when you are inside the dashboard, you need to also go to the section of access your apps. And when you search for Zoho Voice, you can open it. Depending on your country, you may see the message saying that Zoho Voice isn't available in your region. And that's because the service has regional restrictions in some countries. So if Zoho Voice is available where you live, you will be able to access the dashboard and then you will be able to start configuring your phone's systems. Now, if I talk about the one of the biggest features of Zoho Voice, so it's the ability to create your own cloud-based contact centers. So over here, instead of installing the expensive phone hardware, everything runs online here. You can create business phone numbers, you can add the agents, you can assign the user roles, and even manage your entire calling system from just one dashboard. You can also create the call routing rules so that the incoming calls automatically can reach the correct department. For example, sales call can go directly to your sales team while support calls can forward it to the customer service, and this makes the handling customer calls much more organized, especially if you have multiple employees. Now, Zoho Voice allows you to purchase virtual phone numbers from the supported countries. So this is going to help your business build a local presence without opening the physical office. So instead of customers calling an international number, they can call to a local number which is assigned to your business. You can take a look at the pricing for that available here on the screen. You can also manage all of these numbers directly inside the Zoho Voice. As your business grows, you can easily add more numbers whenever you need them. Next, you can also invite your team members into the system. So each of the users can receive their own extension and access levels. For example, the managers can have administrative permissions while support agents only receive access to the calls which is assigned to them. This is going to keep your phone system organized and secure. You can also manage the user's availability and make changes whenever your team grows. Now, one of the useful features of Zoho Voice is IVR, which is also known as interactive voice response. So this is automated menu customers here before speaking to an agent. For example, you can have press 1 for sales, press 2 for support, or press 3 for billing. Instead of manually transferring every single call, Zoho Voice automatically routes the customers to the correct department so that you can customize all these call flows based on your business needs. Now, beside the phone calls, Zoho Voice also supports two-way SMS. So this means that you can both send and receive the text messages from the customers. Businesses often use this particular feature for the appointment reminders, for delivery updates, promotional offers, customer follow-ups, and even support conversations. Instead of switching between the different communication tools, everything stays inside one platform. Now, the next feature that I would like to mention is CRM integration, which is one of Zoho Voice's strongest advantages. So if you already using Zoho CRM, Zoho Desk, you can make and receive the calls directly from those applications. So whenever a customer calls, their information can automatically appear on your screen. The call history is also attached to the customer's profile. That makes it easier for you to review the previous conversation. So this is going to save a lot of time because you don't need to switch between multiple applications while talking to the customers. Now, since Zoho Voice is cloud based, you are limited to working from one office. You can access your business phone system using your computer, your smartphone, and tablet. So, whenever you are working from home, whether you are traveling or visiting clients, you can still make and receive the business calls using the same business number. So, this makes Zoho Voice especially useful for the remote teams. Zoho Voice also allows employees to basically communicate internally instead of calling personal numbers. Team members can simply use their extensions in order to contact each other. So this makes the communication faster and it keeps everything inside the business phone system. It's especially useful for companies with multiple departments that are working together throughout the day. So if your customers are located in different countries, Zoho Voice make international communication much easier. So by using the virtual number, customers can call the local numbers while your team answers from anywhere in the world. So this creates a more professional experience and it is going to help businesses expand their international markets without opening the office overseas. Since Zoho Voice uses the internal based calling technology, you can basically expect clear HD voice quality with a stable internet connection. As compared to the traditional phone system, businesses can often reduce the communication cost while maintaining the reliable call quality. Because everything is cloud based, there is also very little hardware to maintain. Before you start using Zoho Voice, it's worth looking at the pricing plans as well. So you can just simply select the option of pricing here on the top. You are going to see that they have this free plan which is absolutely free with some limitations. However, you can go with their basic plan which is going to cost to $34 per month per person. Then they have standard plan which is Zoho friendly. So this is going to cost to around $49 per user per person. And per user per month. And we have the business plan that needs advanced call center features that choose the contact center plan. Businesses that need advanced call center features that chooses the contact center plan, which includes additional tools for the larger support teams. So since pricing and the available features may change over time, it's always a good idea to check the official voice pricing page before subscribing. Overall, I think Zoho Voice is a very strong solution for businesses that need a modern cloud phone system. And if you are interested in it, you can definitely go ahead and try this one. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just simply drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.